Hey guys, so for today's video, I have my Sephora savings event haul. It is currently 10 o'clock at night and my son is asleep, and this is like the only time that I have quiet time, so I thought I would film this. I have a bare face, no makeup on, because I plan to go to sleep right after this. Anyways, most of the stuff I did buy during the Sephora savings event in store, and then some stuff I did get online before the sale. A lot of the products I did get were on sale because Sephora had like a bunch of skincare items that were on sale. So thought I would show those too. So all the stuff I got in store is basically all makeup. When I shopped in store, this was the only skincare item I got. This is the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream, and this is the Gratitude size. So this is a 2.5 fluid ouncer. I've been using this mini travel size one, and oh my gosh, this is so good. It's super thick and creamy, but it just kind of like holds the moisture in, keeps my skin super nice and hydrated. So I had to buy the big one, and especially since I got 20% off. Tatcha products have like never disappointed me. I'm obsessed with Tatcha skincare. So here is the packaging. Super cute in that signature purple color. Has that little spatula so you can scoop out the cream. But there it is, super thick. Oh, I love this stuff. Has a mild scent to it. So this moisturizer is a rich cream of antioxidant packed Japanese purple rice and hyaluronic acid that feeds skin with plumping hydration for a dewy, healthy looking glow. And it definitely does that, and it definitely does the plumping. Love this. So I got two different foundations, and these are new foundations. The first one is from Urban Decay, and this is the Face Bond Waterproof Foundation, up to 24-hour wear, 3% niacinamide, and you can't feel the coverage. That's what it says. Can't feel coverage. It's supposed to feel lightweight. I mainly got this because it says that it's waterproof, and summer's coming up and I want a really good foundation. This is the packaging. It is a 1 fluid ounce, and I got mine in the shade 12 Light Neutral. I keep trying to twist the top, but it's just, it pops off. This is the top, and it's just a little squeeze tube. So here's the shade 12 Light Neutral. Now normally I do a lot of shopping online for sales like this, but I went in store this time because I wanted the foundations that I get to actually match me. So I know this one matches because I matched it in store, but it feels super nice. Doesn't feel heavy. Blended really nice. I'm excited to see how this works on my skin. So this foundation states that it is up to 24 hours wear, self-setting, water, sweat, and humidity proof, smudge and transfer resistant, and no powder needed. I've actually always really liked Urban Decay foundations, so hopefully this one's good too. The next foundation I got is from the brand Ilia, and this is their Skin Rewind Complexion Stick. Now I've only used a few products from Ilia. I've never used a foundation from them, but when I saw that they came out with this stick foundation, I had to get it. So this one states that it's weightless, firming, smoothing. It has ceramide peptide complex, butterfly lavender, and kelp extract. So there's skincare benefits in here. And this is a 0.3 fluid ounce, so it's not much product. Here's the packaging. It has like that little indent so you can hold it and apply it. It's nice and sleek. And I got mine in the shade 130 Hickory. I don't know if you could see it, but it has Ilia imprinted. How cool. So this is actually plastic. When I saw the pictures online, I was like, oh, that's a lot of product to be rolled out, but it's not. You just roll it out like this. So let's do a little swatchy. So this is 130 Hickory. This one definitely seems a little bit more heavier and matte, which I haven't really been going for matte finish foundations. As long as I have like a hydrating primer and setting spray, I don't mind that. But I'm really excited to try this one out too, because I've been loving foundation sticks, and this one kind of reminds me of the Fenty one that came out not too long ago. We'll see how that works. Next, I got the new Say concealer, and this is the Slip Tint Radiant All Over Concealer. And I was gonna get either this one or the NARS Radiant Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I love that concealer. It's one of my favorite concealers, but I wanted to try something new. So I got this one, and this concealer says that it's lightweight, non-comedogenic with a natural radiant medium coverage, and it is clinically proven to wear 12 hours, smooth, and hydrate the skin. It has some skincare ingredients in there, so it has niacinamide to help soothe and brighten. It has hyaluronic acid to hydrate, and then it has glycerin, which is a fatty acid, to increase the skin's natural moisture level. So this sounds amazing. I have been more into like radiant, lighter coverage concealers because I'm aging and matte concealers just don't look the same on me anymore. So this is the shade 7. Beautiful. Does have a nice little glow to it. It definitely has more of like a medium to full coverage. Beautiful concealer. All right, these next 2 items were splurge items. I mean, everything I got was pretty much a splurge item, but these 2 were really splurge items. So I got a lipstick from NARS, and this is in the shade Tonka. And these rouge lipsticks from NARS are so amazing. I have one in Catfight and then a couple other ones I can't remember, but I love these NARS lipsticks. Here's the packaging, just a nice sleek black, and here is the shade Tonka. It is a beautiful rose brown, and this is a matte finish. That is so pretty. It's like a beautiful shade that I could wear during winter. Oh, I can't wait. All right, this next product is new from Charlotte Tilbury, and it just came out a couple days ago. This is the Pillow Talk Big Plumpgasm Lip Gloss, and I got mine in the shade Pillow Talk Fair Medium. Now, the packaging is just so cute. I had to pick it up, and it's like hefty too. It's pretty heavy feeling. This is the back. Super cute. And here is the wand. It's a pretty big wand. So this is supposed to be a plumping gloss. I really love their collagen lip baths, lip glosses. So hopefully this one's kind of similar. So that is the shade. Pillow Talk Fair Medium. They do have a darker color too, which is also very beautiful, but I tend to go more for these shades. Oh my gosh. It's not sticky at all. It almost feels like a nice lip oil. Oh, I love this. Definitely instant like plump effect though, like tingling. I feel a lot of tingling like I put on mint on my lips. Oh, I really like this. Maybe I'll buy the other one too. All right, the rest of the products I got in store are Rare Beauty products. Now, I really like the brand Rare Beauty, but I mainly got all of these because I want to do a video of like full face of using Rare Beauty. So I got the Always an Optimist setting powder, and I got mine in the shade Light. It is a super fine loose setting powder that melds with your makeup to smooth, blur, and set with a soft radiant finish. When I was at the store getting this, like they didn't have it in the front area, and I asked someone, I'm like, hey, do you have one in the back by chance? They had light medium, which was a good shade, but it looked a little too dark, and I do like a brighter under eye. And I know that this has like a little shimmer to it, but the lady was like looking at me like I was crazy, like, why would you put this underneath your eyes? But maybe she's right, maybe it won't look good under my eyes. I don't know, we'll see. I'll try it out soon because I want to use it underneath my eye area and all over the face. But I really like the Givenchy setting powder, and that one has a little bit of a radiance to it. So here's the packaging, super sleek and simple but beautiful. So let's do a little swatch. So this definitely is a lighter shade and has like a pink undertone, but this would be beautiful for like a bright under eye or just to set your whole face. And it does have like a very subtle glow to it. Ooh, I like this. I can't wait to try this out. All right, the next thing I got from Rare Beauty is the Always an Optimist 4-in-1 mist, and I just got the little one. Look how cute this is. I love Rare Beauty's packaging. It's just so aesthetically pleasing, you know? Looks like it has like a little hydrating oil to it. So this is a glow boosting mist that hydrates, primes, sets, and refreshes the skin. So that is great. I love a nice hydrating dewy mist. and I heard great things about this one, so I'm really excited to try this out. Then I got a couple lip products. So I got 2 lip liners. I got the Kind Words crayon lip liners, and I got the shade Talented and the shade Wise. So Talented is just like a normal everyday peachy nude color. These lip liners state that they are waterproof with a creamy matte finish, which I love in a lip liner. So here's Talented. Let's do a swatch. This one was my favorite like nude shade in store. Just a beautiful like peachy rose nude. Perfect for every day. Then I got the shade Wise, and this one is more of like a rosy brown color, and I love rosy brown lip liners or rosy brown lip colors, and I feel like the brown lip situation is coming back. Like people will line their lips with the brown color and a nice beautiful clear gloss, so definitely gonna be doing that with this. There's the shades Talented and Wise. Very beautiful. Then I got the Kind Words matte lipstick in the shade Talented, so I can wear the lip liner and lipstick together. Oh, it like clicks. That's cool. Here's the packaging, super cute and aesthetic. Has a nice gold color to it. And again, shade Talented, so click and then, oh, you just pull. Cool. Here's the lipstick, super beautiful. Put it right next to the lip liner. They're definitely very close in color. This is such a beautiful lip color. Oh, I want to buy more. I wish I could buy all of them. I think this was 20 bucks though, and that's expensive. So I definitely did not need this, but it was just so cute, and I love that they came out with all the minis. This is the Positive Light Luminizer, and this is the mini. They just recently came out with like a bunch of mini sizes of the blushes and the luminizers, and I got the shade Enchant, and this is like the pink color. Look how cute this is. It's like the same size as my fingers. This shade is so beautiful. I almost bought the full size, but then I'm like, you're never gonna go through a whole one of those because I already have so many other highlighters. Just got the mini one. Here's the shade Enchant. This is just so stunning. It's like a beautiful pastel light pink. I don't know, I love it. I can't wait to wear this. All right, now on to the stuff that I didn't get in store and that I got before the sale. So I got the First Aid Beauty Firming Cream, and this has peptides, niacinamide, and collagen. This is a great everyday moisturizer, and it has great anti-aging benefits to it. I saw that this was on sale like a week or 2 back, and this is the 3.5 fluid ounce. It was like half off, so I snagged that up right away. This is a great moisturizer. I've gone through so many tubs of these, and I was just so excited that they came out with a bigger one. This was also on sale like a week or 2 ago. This is the Liquid Exfoliate from Kate Somerville. This has 10% AHA, and it is an exfoliating tonic that helps resurface dull skin to reveal a brighter and smoother luminous complexion. So you use this in the PM after cleansing, and you put on a cotton round and just kind of wipe it all over your face. I've been using the Pixie glycolic acid. Like I have a bunch of little mini ones of those, so when I run out of that, I'm gonna start using this. I love incorporating like some type of AHA or glycolic acid into my skincare routine because it keeps my skin smooth. Here's what it looks like. This was so expensive. Luckily I got it half off, and this is a 4 fluid ounce. It has a nice pump, so easy to use. Can't wait to try this out. Then I got the Peter Thomas Roth Even Smoother Glycolic Retinol Resurfacing Serum. So I love that this had retinol and glycolic acid in there, so it's anti-aging and it's gonna help smooth. So this product is gonna help you achieve and maintain the look of smooth, radiant, and hydrated skin. It's 15% glycolic acid complex and retinol in here to help improve the look of texture and fine lines. Great claims. I'm currently using the Paula's Choice retinol. Once that's out, I'm going to start using this one, and I can't wait to see how this works because I've actually really enjoyed things from Peter Thomas Roth. Then I got a powder foundation from Makeup Forever. This was on sale a week or 2 ago as well, and this is the HD Skin Matte Velvet Powder Foundation, and I got mine in the shade 1Y08. I love Complexion products from Makeup Forever. The HD foundation, that is such a good classic foundation. Like if you're looking for a good foundation, I highly recommend that one. When I saw that they have an HD skin matte velvet version, I had to pick it up. So this is what the inside looks like. Comes with a sponge. Let's do a little swatch. Feels really nice and smooth. Normally I don't go for powder foundations that much. This one had great reviews and it was on sale. Here is 1Y08. I haven't used a powder foundation in a long time, so I'm really excited to see how this one works. I have high hopes because Makeup Forever is usually always so good. Then I got this tiny, so small perfume from Maison Louise Marie. I don't know, this brand. And this is number 13. This is basically a fragrance oil and I've already smelled this. It smells so amazing. I got this because it's just something cute that I could throw into my purse, or if I'm like on the go out and about with friends and I have a small purse with me, this would be perfect to fit in there. But it just smells so good and refreshing. All right, so the key notes for this scent is coconut, Tuscan fig, and amber, and the scent type is fresh solar. I don't know, it just smells so good. And I love that it's an oil, so it's supposed to last longer on the skin. Last few products are makeup products and I did do short videos on them. This is the Tower 28 Line and Shine Lip Kit, and this comes with a lip liner and their wonderful lip jellies. So this is supposed to be a limited edition shade, and this one is called Ice Pistachio, and this is their lip liner in work of art. This is such a beautiful lip liner. It's like a nice nude with a brown undertone. And then lip gloss is just a beautiful pink and it has like a gold shimmer to it. I need to make another video of me just trying these on together because this definitely is a beautiful lip combo. Such a good deal. It was $24. All right, the last two products I got is from Give Beauty, so the brand by Gwen Stefani, and she came out with Dewy Plump Lip Collagen Gels and a Dewy Plump Collagen Cheek Tint. These are so pretty, and I got mine in the shade Bouquet. So this cheek collagen, here's the packaging. This reminds me a lot of the Say Beauty dewy blushes. It's not like overly pigmented, so it's gonna be really easy to work with, but look at that. Like, look how beautiful that shade is. Super beautiful everyday pink. This is the packaging for the Dewy Plump Collagen Lip Gel. So it has a nice big applicator, and this is also such a beautiful shade. And actually has a lot of pigment to it as well. It's definitely like a really thick formula. It still feels hydrating, but I would say it has like a mild stick to it. Swatch this other shade so you could see the shade comparison, but they're pretty close. Look at that. So beautiful. Can't wait to wear these together. My lips are still tingling from the Charlotte Tilbury lip gloss. But all right, that is everything I got from Sephora. I still have a week left of the Sephora savings event, and I do have some stuff in my shopping cart online that I wasn't able to get in store. So I'll probably just show those on like a short or something, I don't know. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. It will help me so much, and I will see you in the next one.